So today we're gonna learn all about squash and zucchini plant with the difference between male flowers and female flowers. Hey guys, welcome back to Green Tea Garden. In this video, we're gonna learn the difference between a male and a female flower from your zucchini plant or your squash plant. Basically, they're the same family, same variety of plants, guys. So whatever I told you guys for the zucchini will work for the squash plants. So if you don't have bees in your garden, you do need to hand pollinate. If you don't have bees and you don't hand pollinate, guys, you're gonna lose your fruit. Your vegetable is gonna turn brown or yellow at the end. It would rotten at the end and it would fall out and it would die. Basically, you can't produce any fruit at all. So you see that little short stem right there, guys? Let me go up close. Let's go right here. That little short stem right there. So that's a male flower. You see this one right here? It's a longer stem. And it's shaped like, it's already shaped like a fruit. It already shaped like a zucchini or a squash right there. And then it has this extra top piece, which is your flower part right there. And that's the female flower. So you guys could closely look the difference. Now, as the male is getting bigger, you see, look, the bottom of the male is skinny. And then you get a top head part, which is the flower. That's the male flower. Now, if we come closer over here, we got a female getting bigger. You can see the fruit and the stem. The fruit is much longer, it's thicker, and then it has the flower on the top. That's the female. The female always produces the fruit, guys. So this is your female flower right here. This is the flower. Guys, once this fruit is pollinated, if this falls out, it's okay. It's still gonna grow. You can see the male flower. It's a skinny stem, very skinny, and then come to the end part, it's a flower. Guys, I wanted to show you guys a quick example. You could see right here that, let me show you guys that fruit right there, and you have a massive flower. So that's a female flowers. And then if you look right there again, I'm gonna show you guys right there, that skinny stem with the flower, that's your male again right there. And this male right here, it's a bigger male. This male is gonna open up soon, but you could tell the size of the flower. You could basically tell, guys, this fruit is about 3 inches. This flower is going to open tomorrow to get pollinated. And this male, I don't think it's going to open tomorrow. By looking at this male, it'll take 2 more days before this male. So this is sometimes when you run into problem and you have to cross-pollinate. You got to check another squash or zucchini plant that you guys have a male flower, and you go inside a male flower. Basically, you go inside a male flower, take out some pollen, and then you come back and you just put it in your female. Use a Q-tip, or you guys could use a paintbrush, one of those kids paintbrush. I took one of my kids paintbrush and I do it with a Q-tip. I feel like it was stuck in on too much to the Q-tip. So with the paintbrush, I was getting, it was more easy and better for me to use, guys. Come here and show you guys too. I cross-pollinate all of them, those two right there. This one is gonna come up soon, and you guys could see, like this plant, I do have all the way there some baby male. I do have another male right here, but he's not gonna be ready. So that's why it's good, guys. If you plant in your zucchini or squash plant, you do want to make sure you plant a couple more, like 4 or 5 or something like that. Because I think I use a yellow squash, and I pollinate this, and look at it, it's growing like within like 3 days. It's growing massive. I hand pollinate this one yesterday because the flower was open, so I had to take the pollen from somewhere else. So you have to, guys, in certain situations and certain stuff, you really just want to, you don't want to lose your fruit. Because I'm telling you guys, without the bees and everything, it's hard to keep up with everything, you know what I mean? So that's another round zucchini coming up right there, guys. So that you can see the fruit, and this right here, skinny stem coming up with the flower, that's a male flower. So now you know the difference between a male and a female flowers, and this, guys, apply from zucchini to squash plant, which is a big variety in the garden world. And this will help you a lot, especially, guys, if you don't have any bees to need your fruit, guys. So come out early in the morning and hand pollinate from your male to your female flower using a paintbrush or a Q-tip. Guys, when you hand pollinate, it's a high percentage of chance your fruit will grow. Sometimes the bees will go in there and pollinate, and the pollination wasn't the best, or it's not a good pollination, and sometimes your fruits still die. And guys, if you hand pollinate and you have bees and your fruit's still dying, I'm telling you, that could be a problem of calcium. Check out at the end of the video. I have another video for that. And check out, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to prune your zucchini plant to get the best out of it. Guys, thank you guys for watching Green Tea Garden. If you're new, welcome to Green Tea Garden, guys. All about garden stuff, learning the best tips and tricks, and grow a better garden right in your backyard. And some of you guys probably grow in your front yard, which is awesome. Wish I could do that. So go ahead and subscribe, click the bell icon, guys, and I'll see you next time coming up in Green Tea Garden. Comment below, guys. Let me know how it's going with your garden.